Hey, this is Dave from houseparents.com. Today we're going to show you the best way to stain a fence on a budget. Part of that is making use of a bug sprayer or a hand pump pesticide sprayer and instead using it as our fence stain sprayer. If you've been watching our videos, you see that my brother Rich and son Caleb and I take on all sorts of projects from repair to renovation. Today we're staining a brand new fence that's just been put up. The outside has already been stained, and we're going to take on the task of staining the inside today. I'm first going to show you the necessary supplies that we're going to use because getting all the supplies right will go a long way to making sure you can get this job done quickly. So we've got some cardboard. We'll use that to protect the siding as we get along. There's a roller, a 9-inch roller that we'll use to back roll things, and a brush to back brush as well. Broomstick to go and attach to the roller. This is the stain we're using. It's called Ready Seal, and they say it's goof proof, so that automatically makes you like it. And then down here, the particular color we're using is Pecan, number 515. We're Amazon affiliates, so we'll have a link in the description below for all of these. And then this is the magic sauce right here. This is a sprayer, and it's a regular pesticide sprayer, but we're going to use it to apply the stain. It works rather nicely. If you have a paint sprayer, you can use that, but this will definitely do the job. As you get ready to do this, you have to adjust this. You have to adjust this nozzle, turning it one way or the other to get a good spray pattern. Now we'll just spray it. This wood is really thirsty being brand new, so it really absorbs it pretty quick. One thing we did notice is that as the stain is applied, it goes on a lot darker. In this section here, you can see that in the foreground, the stain has not been on the fence for about 3 weeks. And then the stain in the background has only been on for about a week. So it does lighten up over time and give you that pecan finish that's on the label. Okay, it's a super hot day today. It's 95. So this is drying really fast, but it doesn't dry splotchy, which is really nice. We've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sections, 4 liters. About a gallon for 7 sections. So 7 8-foot sections that are about 5 foot high. I hope this video helps. If you got anything out of it, give us a like. If you got any questions, go ahead and ask. We'll get back to you just as soon as we can. And don't forget, as always, subscribe. We've got lots more videos coming.